Whoa! What's going on here, my little princess?
I'm making dinner for you, Daddy.
Dinner? Are you cooking with flour or swimming in it?
It's cake. Cake for dinner.
Wow, okay. Where's your mom?
Your wife? I think she's watching a movie. Or maybe listening to music.
Wait, so you're doing this all by yourself? Who taught you?
I saw a baby baking on television. I learned everything.
Oh no. Guess I'll sleep hungry tonight.
No, you have to trust me. I want to be a chef when I grow up.
Your mom said the same thing once. And now every time she cooks, the fire alarm screams.
Don't worry, Daddy. From now on, I'll cook for you every day.
Okay, Daddy believes in you. Let's hope we'll have a delicious dinner tonight.